Hello everyone, good morning. So for today's pinapanatigard, pupunta kami ng UNSU. Today is Papo Day ni Juan. Labor Day, walang pasok. So naisipan namin na pumunta sa UNSU kasi meron ng event. May car show. So every year naman yung ginaganap sa UNSU. So every year din namin yung every Papo Day actually. So yun, pupunta kami ngayon doon at manonood kami ng car show. Kasi wala din naman gagawin sa bahay. So punta na lang kami. Buti na lang maganda yung weather ngayon. May araw, mainit. Pero syempre kailangan pa din natin ng long sleeve at saka jacket in case lang na medyo mahangin, ganun. So yun, manonood tayo ngayon doon. Sigurado marami na naman doon tao. Especially mga kids kasi syempre may sa cars ang mga kids. So ayan. Saan ko naman mag-drive kasi magpulat ako. Buti na lang maganda yung panahon. So, long weekends again. Walang pasok ng 4 days, including weekends. Kaya sulitin natin yung 4 days. Yun. So mamaya-maya ulit. Papakita ko na lang sa inyo kung magaganap mamaya doon. So yun lang. Bye muna mga girl. Nag-stop by muna kami dito sa Shell. At kumain kami nito. Hindi kasi maganda ang iyong Papo Day kung wala kang donut or mooncake. Tapos meron din konti. So, what's yours? Yan na kanya. So, yan. Ang finish kasi, hindi happy pag walang coffee. We don't have that, no? Tissue.
You can get the tissue if you need. There's many.
Full of sugar.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Yung tissue. Alas 12 pa naman yung start ng car show. So, stop by muna kami dito sa Shell. Kumain muna kami ng snack.
Are you excited of these Papo cars? You remember you came here first time and we checked this Papo cars. You were there in the UNSU on the Papo time?
Yeah. Ang lambot ng nila, donut. Nagtilang ako. Kasi kanina umaga yung tiyan ko medyo hindi maganda. Pero uminom naman ako ng gamot. Kasi meron akong gamot na iniinom para sa tiyan ko. Kasi hindi ko alam kung acid reflux ba yun o ano. Pero yun, okay na naman siya ngayon. Pero kaya nagti na lang. Bloated ang tiyan ko kanina. And you need to have also.
You need to have that.
Want to have tissue ba?
Yep, you can get how many you like.
I think I have. Tamis kasi. Buti na lang may dala akong tissue. Yan natin siya. Pait. Nilagyan ko naman siya ng honey pero mapait pa yun. Good.
So funny.
So, ngayon papunta na kami ng city center. At kung napapansin nyo, nakasuot ako ng cap. It means na nakapagtapos ako dito sa Finland, vocationally. So, yung aking hat ay, machinist or kunistaya in Finnish. So, CNC machining. So, ayan, yan yung logo niya. May red sa gitna and then blue and then white. Yung pinaka cap niya. So, ayan. Mag-graduate kasi kayo dito sa Finland. Ganito yung, pwede kayo makabili ng ganitong hat pag gusto nyo. So, ayan, ganito yung hat ko. First time ko siyang masusuot sa, Papo Day. Nakagraduate kasi ako dito 2 years ago. Doon sa amin sa Outokumpu. Yung school ko kasi, doon lang din sa amin sa Outokumpu. Buti nga hindi ko na kailangan mag-travel sa UNSU. Kasi meron kami itong vocational para sa mga machinist, ganun, tsaka welder. So yung napili kong course ay machinist, which is yun yung work ko, line ng work ko ngayon. So, pero dun sa study ko na yon, may option yon. Kung gusto mo talaga makuha yung 180 points, so kailangan mo mag-take din ng welding course. Sa akin case, hindi ko na kailangan mag-take ng welding kasi wala namang, hindi included yun sa aming job, yung lang machining. So, yun lang yung tinake ko, which is 90 points lang siya. Kulang siya ng 90 points kasi nga hindi ko tinake yung welding. So, pero goods yun, okay lang yun. At least meron tayong certificate, di ba? So, pwede ko naman siyang kunin in the future pag gusto ko talagang makumpleto yung 180 points. Pero, let's see kung gugustuhin ko. So, ngayon papunta lang kami sa Raberata. Ando kasi yung place ng mga cars. So, marami na ngayong, hindi pala, sa city center muna pala. So, ayan. Maghahanap kami ng spot na pagpaparkingan. So, ayan. Nandito na kami ngayon. Are we parked there? So, dito kami ngayon sa parking lot. Dito kasi, ay 3 hours siya. So, tsaka free lang dito. Ayan, nakalagay dyan, 3 hours. So, free lang dito. Hindi na namin kailangan magbayad. So, ayan. Maganda dito kasi wala masyadong nagpa-park. So, pag napunta kami ng UNSO, dito kami lagi nagpa-park. Malapit sa library ng UNSO. So, ayan. Nice lang ni Uncle. Wala pang dahon yung mga puno. Pero this month, magkakaroon na yan. Basta lagi lang maaraw. So, ayan. Marking na si Uncle. Say hi to my vlog. So, ayan. Ang ganda ng hat, guys. Ayan. So, ayan. What now? Are we going there in the,
We are going to walk around the city center because Pappu and there is the old cars, so also after 20 minutes.
So, yun. Do I need to wear this?
Yeah, you should wear that.
All the time?
Yeah, today.
Today? So, yun. Suotin daw natin. Kasi minsan lang naman to sa isang taon. Nakalagay lang naman siya sa closet namin. So, suotin na natin. Yan. Mahal din to, guys. How much we pay for this? 90 euro. 90 euro brand new. Pero sa mga second hand, mga lang to, 20 euro lang. Pero mahirap maghanap kasi ng ganitong machining na cup. Kasi dito sa Finland, wala masyadong nag-study ng machining. Kasi inaaral na nila yon sa mismong trabaho na sa actual doon. Sa aking case kasi, kailangan ko siyang aralin para meron ako certificate na maipakita dun sa boss ko na tapos na akong mag-aral. Si Uncle, machinist din siya pero wala siyang ganito, ayaw niya. Doon na lang kasi siya nag-aral maging machinist sa mismong actual na trabaho talaga. So ayan, yan yung aking mentor, si Uncle. My mentor. So yan. Sige, let's go na. Okay, I will put my jacket. Kailangan kasi namin ng jacket kasi medyo malamig pa ngayon. Positive 5 lang. So, kailangan natin ng pangmalakasang jacket para hindi tayo lamigin. So, ayan. Ayan, nakapark na si Uncle. So, let's see. Ang style ba to? So, dyan ko muna ilalagay. Ito. Yan lang natin. No, I think this is fine. Nah, this is fine for me. So ayan, nakapag na tayo. Bihis na tayo.
I only worry that it's a bit chilly for you.
Nah, let's see. Can you take my video? You hold it in the... You need to like this. I will teach you, ha? Like that.
Yeah.
You hold it carefully that it will not fall. Where's my bag?
Klaus is in my hand.
So, let's go. Maybe I need my sunglass. Kailangan natin ng sunglass kasi medyo maaraw ngayon. So, yan mga outfit. Siyempre, jacket na din. So, let's go. Let's go now. You should click already. So, pupunta na kami ngayon doon. But the parade, because the cars are in the Ravirata.
Yeah, they are already driving now to the city.
Ah, okay.
11:40.
So what is that Ravirata thing?
From since 9 in the morning.
Ah, so it means they are done already there?
Basically, they are soon already driving the Jiangsu way. This city center.
So what is that 12 to 16? Where is the car parking?
Here.
Because last time they are parking there.
Yes, in the morning time.
And then they are going away?
Joensuuvappu. Let's see. Because I understand that it's like this, that they are coming soon here.
Ah, so we are late. Ay, late na pala kami. Dapat pala maaga kami nagpunta doon kasi nakapark pala sila. Ah.
But I think it's like this, that we are seeing these cars here in the Joensu, right?
So no, because last time we are there in Ravirata just to watch that.
Look, since 9 in the morning is the Ravirata, and then clock 12, which is 20 minutes.
Are they going back there or not?
No, it's been since morning.
Oh.
That's why I wait you this morning.
Because I really thought that clock 12 they are there.
Clock 12 here.
Because you are not saying to me.
Oh, I thought we had some talk about that. It's morning time.
Yeah, what I mean is clock 12 I thought that clock 12 they are there in the Ravirata starting.
Oh no, it's since morning 9. And they are now here at clock 12. Right?
That's so sad. I thought that we are just watching them.
Ice cream place is open already. It needs full summer.
Maraming tao dito. Ayan. Nagbebenta rin ng bulaklak. O, yung cute ang costume nila, naka-B. Ayan. Maraming tao ngayon dito. Buti na lang at may araw. Dito sila nagtipon-tipon sa Market Square. Maraming tao ngayon dito. Daming seller. Pakiramdam ko ngayon mga auntie girl ay bumababa na yung blood pressure. Hindi na siya mataas. Okay na. Dala lang to ng anxiety. Meron kasi akong anxiety eh. So, ayan. Medyo okay na siya. So, daming tao ngayon. So, ayan nga pala yan, yung building na yan. Yan yung kaupahali nila dito. Sa loob niya may mga restaurant, yan, coffee shop. So, yan yung pinaka-stage nila dito.
Hey, there's a time of the parade. Look, it's starting now. We can actually still go there in the Ravirata if you like.
Let's go now.
Yeah, we can still
So,
go.
yun. Mga auntie girl, buti at buti na lang at na-check ni Uncle.
They changed that.
Change daw ang time ng 1300 or alauna ng hapon. Pero dito sa Market Square, maraming mga tao. Siguro nag-aabang talaga din sila ng parada. Pero babalik kami dun sa pinagparkingan namin at i-check namin kung nandun pa yung mga cars. Kasi gusto ko din talaga makita yung mga sasakyan. Yung mga vintage car doon. Minsan lang kasi talaga yun eh. So, ngayon Labor Day sila tawag dito, lumalabas talaga.
In here it says 12.
So, ano ba talaga?
What is the correct time?
Maybe 12. It's fine now. We can see.
Look, in there it says clock 30. And then
nagugulumihanan din si Uncle kung ano ba talagang oras.
What if we try to go check?
So, yun nga.
Other side.
So, ang desisyon ngayon, babalik kami dun. Sana talaga nandun pa sila. Para hindi naman lugi yung pagpunta namin dito sa city center. Gusto ko din kasi talagang makuhanan ng video. So, walking na kami. So, dito, at nag-start na sila na ilagay yung kanilang mga tables and chairs para sa mga tao. So, ayan. Bintula, Chinese restaurant. Sana nagsasabi ng totoo yung sa Google. Nakalauna ng hapon ang alauna pa ng hapon ang parada. Pero let's see. Lalakad na kami. Yung isang sasakyan doon halos kakalik na dun sa ano sa pedestrian. Dito kasi sa Finland, tao at bisikleta ang pinapauna bago ang mga cars. So mamaya ano lang ulit mga auntie girl. Bye. Yan at So, waiting kami ngayon dito. Kasi ang start ay 1 o'clock. Maraming tao ngayon dito. Naghihintay din sila. I don't know how to make it. There. Sa delivery. Nandito, foto.
So my phone is not low. That's fine now. Maybe you take me something. Hey, that one. Look at that.
Yeah, so
Thank you. Yeah.
Not the best, but this one. Maybe you want to get something like this, some coffee from.
Don't look at my phone. Because I have video already.
Oh yeah.
Our neighbor should come here also.
Oh,
Our neighbor.
right there.
That is good for me. That's
That will fit all right.
I like that one. Oh, so cute. You should fix your. What is your first car? Yeah. There. Yeah. Oh.
That's going to be my favorite. You know? That's all.
Like many.
Gets it back.
Yeah, it's nice.
No, come on. This is yours.
Yeah. It's your
It's your turn. It's your turn.
So he has something like that.
It was so cool looking there. Hanging around. See? They have a face outside the circle.
I should have also something like that.
I think you should have a TV for the rest and then some kind of a paper so you can spend all of your money to please the experience. Buy our coworkers, buy the lights, buy the installing some bumpers or anything.
Lucky that it's a small car that they can push it.
Yeah, this is cool.
Now it's working. Yeah, it's working.
Again.
That's so cool. Because yung isang kotse hindi naman daan. Parang nilaandar na pero hindi naman. It's nice. Kita lagi kan cewek. Bisa di sana lambat. Cute. Yeah.
That's the right way. That's not so.
Dah. So, yun lang ang parada. Tapos na. Yun na lang. Meron isang kotse na hindi umandar. Pero sana umandar pa din mamaya. So, that's all for today mga girl. So, dito kami sa city. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Let's eat.
Let's eat. So we went to Gay's market and bought some
Yeah.
bread,
And then salad.
some macchiato, and some sweet baking.
Then
With
cake.
blueberry. Candies,
Some
and there's still peanuts.
peanuts. Okay. Let's eat our lunch.
The first outside eating of this year.
Yes. So, thank you Lord for the food.
Crossing there.
We throw this first. Eat. Pinak mo pa lang yung basura.
Ano ba? Ay, ay.
Eat.
Gusto ko yung kinis.
Ah. Because of my hat. Eat.
We need to make a very cooling house. That kind of side table.
Mm.
Oh, it's like upside down. You need to start help me the whole of it.
Yeah.
And then when making the framework, then making the other side.
Not too sweet.
This way.
Mm. Pwede candy.
Maybe you need to go outside. Maybe you need to go outside.
Ang gawin ko saan?
As soon as there's a sun, it's good.
Mm.
But many plants still. Is this the time where we went one time? They had a doctor before. 25.
Ganda na. Ganda. Sabi sa akin.
Almost, yeah.
We forgot to buy the same.
Because this morning I was thinking that we go to cafeteria in Outokumpu or Serioso to have a sima on the moon. The price is okay. They're not selling this now. I see this first time here. This time.
This also. Because the brand is like this is much cheaper than that.
That's why.
This is also this.
Thanks for the
Bye, Bulan.